baby.
Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom. Got them.
What up, my people? It's your boy, Kings23 Kicks. I'm back with another video for y'all. About to do this little unboxing. So, before we get started, I need y'all to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Rock them bells like LL Cool J says. And make sure that you're notified of all videos coming in. You know what I'm saying? So you can be a part of the kingdom. We're trying to grow the kingdom. And my goal for the end of the year is to reach 1,000 subscribers. There's a giveaway coming up soon. So hopefully I can try to get that taken care of. Just to let y'all know, man, I'm going to do this unboxing. Y'all know the winter time is coming. Stuff like that. But, so you got to get ready. You know what I'm saying? I don't know about you guys, but, you know, I got shopping habits. It is what it is. But, you know, if anybody's ever been tuned into my channel, y'all know that J's aren't the only thing that I rock. You know what I'm saying? I rock Adidas, Pumas, you know what I'm saying? Human races. I like all kinds of things. You know what I'm saying? Just depends on what it is. Your boy gonna rock with it. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, today, what I have is not a massive unboxing, but a pretty good size unboxing. I kind of went ham on with Puma this go around. So, hold on. I got a pretty good size box from Puma. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and jump right off into it, man, because it's not just shoes that I ordered with them. I actually ordered some items of clothing, so y'all know how that goes. You gotta order the drip with it. You gotta have the drip to go with the stuff, man. That's the way I roll. My gold knife, because you know that boy loves royalty. And so I'm just gonna, hopefully I don't cut off into nothing. Remember, kids, do not play with knives. So, yep, got some stuff in here. All right, so I'm back. I had to make some camera adjustments. To be honest with y'all, I've actually gotten used to sitting in my king's quarters, which is known as my office, and the chair, because this chair is like hecka comfortable. And I'm literally sitting in a chair 12, 13 hours a day. So I got a real comfortable chair. But I noticed when I was trying to show y'all, you really couldn't see it, you know what I'm saying? So there's a Puma shirt. It's really clean. I like it. It has a little Puma on the side there. And it says Puma on the front, and I got that in black. Next thing we got, I'm just gonna that's how they go.
Know what I'm talking about, nigga? Matter of fact, I don't think you do. Listen to this.
Okay.
Got some joggers. I love Tech Fleece joggers. I love joggers. Man, I've just been on them a lot lately, and they're like hecka comfortable. And so Puma have some, and like this little camo. You guys can see here. So I actually copped these so I can wear these with the shirt that I just showed you guys. It has Puma going down the side, and it's real good, nice material. You know what I'm saying? It's not like sweats. If you guys can see the material off in there. So these look like they're gonna be real comfortable, and I like those. And actually has a little Puma tag on the back. I guess that would be on the side, right there. Kind of incognito. So that was it. What else? And another shirt. So this shirt, this is exactly like the black one, but of course in the reverse. I was like, you know what, I gotta get a white shirt. So this one has the Puma on it, but it kind of wraps around the back. And that one's in white. So you can mix it up. I know if I just got black and white, I was getting click happy, man. You know what I'm saying? When you have these little shopping habits, man, y'all can relate, man. Y'all comment down below. Y'all already know how it is. When you start shopping and you gotta get the drip. For me, honestly, it's not always about the shoes. It's about the whole fit, the whole getting the booty, the whole shebang. So I can rock new shoes, cool, but the first time I bring shoes out, I gotta have that drip. So I mean, when I get a new pair of shoes, they generally gonna sit until I find some drip to go with. That's kind of the way I roll. Y'all comment down below. Maybe it's just me. Let me know how y'all do it. You know? But this next one that I got was a gray one, just like that white one. Kind of feeling that one. I was like, you know what? Like how their design was, I just decided to grab another one. I'm just making a big mess up in there. I think it's the last shirt. Then I got a couple pair of shoes I want to grab. Go over with you guys. So this one is red one. So this is a red one I like, and this one is almost like a, I guess you can say like a dry fit material. You know how Nike has a little dry fit, that's kind of how this material feels on this one. But this one is red, has a little Puma up there in the left hand corner on the chest. But what I like about this one is it had Puma on the back. Big letters, big black letters. So this is the one that I initially saw and I was like, ooh, I kind of like that, you know what I'm saying? Let me grab that one. So that's going to be it for as the shirts go. The next thing I want to do is I actually got a couple of pair of shoes, kind of go with the fits. Well, initially I grabbed the shoes and then I went to look at the clothes, well, the shirts at least, but then I found the joggers. Thinking, you know what, I might just do a review over these and just wait on these. What should I do? What do y'all think? Comment down below. Should I just go ahead and do the review over them? Something real quick? What do you think? Alright, anyway, so Puma box. I do wear Pumas. I have a lot of them. I know a lot of y'all probably don't wear Pumas, but I'm telling y'all, Pumas are some of the most comfortable shoes there is. No cap. Just saying. These that I got are just like some little camo, silver and red. So I'm pulling them out. Doesn't really have much camo on the shoe. Okay, I can see the camo. Alright, so I know the shoe probably looks crazy. It is what it is, but this is the shoe, as you guys see it. Now, when you initially look at the shoe, especially from this distance, where's the camo? And I said the same thing when I put it in my cart and decided to grab the shoe or whatever. It's like I don't really see camo, but the camo is actually in here. In this part of the shoe. I'm trying to get it to where the light shows it. In the new ones, gotta have a closet full of fucking shoes, looking like a shoe basket. So many damn So you can see it there. You can kind of see the camo in the shoe, but it's real subtle. So this shoe is more like a gray colorway. You see it has different hits of gray. You got some black shoestrings in there. Of course, you know these shoes are on sale. Y'all know I get it for the low, it's a go. But I feel like you can't go wrong with a Puma, because a Puma, they have this little soft foam as you can see here, that they always put on most of their shoes. The shoes are real comfortable. I have several pairs of Pumas, and I'm definitely happy with every last pair of them because they're real comfortable. You have the Puma branding on there, and then you have like this little, I guess you kind of like I don't want to say it's like a fly knit, but it's almost like a little fly knit material. The little red hits of it along the shoestrings around the eyelets.
Yes, sir. It's your boy.
Puma branding on the tongue. And I know we sit up there, we talked about the QR code being on Nike branding and stuff like this, but check this out. You even have the same thing, the QR code on the Pumas. So I don't think it's just a Nike thing. I think it's just a shoe branding thing where they're starting to put the QR codes on shoes and stuff. Because it's not on the box. And I noticed if it's not on the box, it's definitely going to be on the shoe. So I guess that's the thing I'm going to have to look out for. So if you guys want to grab your Pumas, you know, check the QR codes. I mean, who knows what the reason is. But I mean, I'm feeling on the sole of the shoe and I'm kind of rubbing across it, and it's really, it feels like it's going to have some real good grip. You know what I'm saying? But these are athletic, so you know, just from some everyday kicks, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you don't want to throw on no hot heat, you know what I'm saying? You want to throw on something comfortable for your feet. And that's the reason why I like grabbing Pumas. That's another reason why I like rocking Adidas. It's another reason why I like rocking Air Max. I love Air Max 97s, really 97. I like all of them, 97s, ones. Not too fond of 98s. But definitely 97s and Air Max 1s. 95s, I can rock with those too. But there it is. It's this Puma. And this Puma here is called Sale Regulate Camo. It was on sale, that's why I went ahead and grabbed it, but I really liked it. There's that booty shot. You know what I'm saying, with the Puma branding on there. And when I grabbed this, like I said, when I grabbed this is what made me go ahead and grab this red shirt. And then too, yeah, think about it, camo pants. So I've been thinking, I don't know, I'm gonna throw some drip with it. You know what I'm saying? I'll be real comfortable. That's what I like to do. So y'all comment down below. Let me know what you think about these guys. Let me know if you guys even rock with Pumas at all. You know what I'm saying? I know some of you guys just straight like to have the heat on the feet. I know guys like that don't even mess with the Puma brand. Me myself, I love it. Like I said, I love Puma brand. It's real comfortable, and I don't know what else to tell y'all, you guys. So what I'm gonna do is go to the next one. So I put this big rubber band up over, I guess to hold the box closed. They did that on both of them. This next one, wasn't too sure about, but I got it for a good little price. So I just wanted to check it out and want to see what it was about. So this one was I needed something where I can kind of work out in, something where I could walk, you know what I'm saying, get my exercise on, to where I definitely not gonna do none of that and none of this stuff in here or in the other room. But this is kind of like a trainer, Puma trainer. And this is what, Emergence Future Black Charcoal Yellow. I was really trying to find like a yellow Puma shirt, and I know I see them all the time, like in the Puma stores, like when I go to the outlets and stuff like that, I do see them. So this is why I kind of pulled the trigger on this one. So this one, it's crazy because it says, what's this? Improved EA compound, I'm grippy. So I guess it has a lot of grip. And it doesn't look like it because this, my fingers slide across the bottom of the shoe. Unlike with the other one, it just kind of like move real slow because it's real grippy. But this, it says it's grippy. I'm hoping this is going to be a comfortable shoe. You know, for like when I do my little exercise walks and stuff like that. So we'll see. I mean, it's real flexible, as you can see, and it just pops right back out. So that's the reason why I grabbed this shoe. I wanted to see, you know what I'm saying, as far as using it, training in it, working out in it, see how it goes. The material on it, as you can see, is like real soft, and real flexible. And then you have that soft foam inside. Actually, it's cute. So Puma always puts these little papers out there. So you have that soft foam inside. I'm just hoping this shoe is real comfortable. If not, you know, if I feel like it's not gonna fit. It's crazy because it looks so pointy, which is something that I'm really not used to, but for the all intents and purposes of what I plan on using the shoe for, it just may just do the job, you know what I'm saying? So I mean, even with the heel, you got Puma branding on the tab, full tab. I'm just hoping this doesn't like cut off into my ankle or anything like that. Because even if I wear low socks, that's going to fit. But you know what? It's not really stiff. It seems like it's kind of stretchy. So if you check it out. So we'll see it. I mean, you have the Puma branding on the back heel side. Got these yellow tabs here with the shoestring. Puma on the so-called tongue. And you know what? The QR code is actually in this one too. So you guys can see that. It's QR code on that one too. So I guess Nike's not the only one, you know, putting QR codes on your shoes. And that's one of the things that I think I'm gonna have to start paying attention more, looking into the shoes. It seems like people are putting QR codes on the shoes. So another thing, as I was just holding the shoe here, so off in the shoe, right in here, along the back heel of the shoe, it's like this foam pad. It's almost like this, like you just set it here, and you feel it. It's like a foam pad. So I guess it's gonna be for ankle support. And, I don't know, maybe I'll use it for a running shoe or something. We'll just see how it works out when I try them on feet and see how it goes. But that was pretty much it. That's my Puma haul, man. I know I took up a bunch of y'all time, man, but I just wanted to unbox that and give y'all something different from the normal thing like Jordans and stuff like that. So when I get these big hauls or these big, I guess you say these big unboxings, because I do a lot of shopping. I do a lot of online shopping, especially being that I work from home, so I don't get to move around as much. Because of the times I work, most of the time people are closed or whatever the case may be, and I just honestly don't feel like driving. Sometimes I get lazy, but I gotta make sure I get this stuff out here for y'all, man. Get this content out here for y'all, because I gotta support my people, because you guys are supporting me, which I greatly appreciate. So make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel, share the channel, like, give me a thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know your opinion on the Puma brand. Is it something that you rock with? I know some people don't rock with it, and that's cool. But some of the Puma things, I ain't gonna lie, some things I don't rock with. I see it and I'm like, what the hell is Puma? What is that? But there are some things that I will rock with, depending on the things on the shoe. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love 97 Merrimack, but it's just some of them I'll be like, that color is just trash. And it is what it is. I'm gonna just give it to y'all 100. Alright, so appreciate y'all guys for tuning in. My kings and queens, make sure that y'all rule y'all kingdom. Or if you're a queen, make sure you rule your queendom. If not, make sure that you stand beside your king. And always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing.
Where's stressing me? Come and check the bottom, moving straight to the top. Come and check the put up for the #1 spot. Pushing my map, check it, push I on the block. Holding my ground, sucker rappers get lost.